With rapid changes in the healthcare system, we are in need of home medical care products more than ever in human history. Quality home medical care products can ease the life of many patients whose health situations are dependent on home care. Welcome to Infinity Mediquip India Private Limited, where we are sure to provide the quality medical equipment for patient care. We are a medical equipment manufacturing company producing medical equipment and home healthcare products. Having a state-of-the-art facility at National Capital Territory of Delhi, we make sure to deliver utmost quality products and a trustworthy experience. Our products are highly innovative, affordable, and delivered on time. Established in the year of 2000, Infinity Mediquip India started its mutual cooperation with Dr. Peter Ertel from Ertel GmbH, Germany. We have come a long way from there as a healthcare product provider. Today, Infi is a popular brand among patients and medical professionals. We have a wide distribution network of 2,000 dealers and distributors, and one Infi product reaches a patient in every 2 minutes. Delivering a wide range of products, including nebulizers in asthma and respiratory care, digital blood pressure monitors in hypertension care, digital thermometers in fever management, air beds in bed sore cure system, and pulse oximeters for critical patient care, mother and baby care products, and blood glucose monitors for diabetes patients. Our manufacturing facility has got ISO 13485 certification, ensuring compliance with quality management systems as per international standards. We have also got domestic regulatory approvals from CDSCO under medical device rules. Our products are manufactured as per international standards, like nebulizers produced as per EN 13544-1. Blood pressure monitors are produced as per EN 1060-3. We produce high-quality thermometers as per EN 12470-3. Our production, quality and R&D team consists of experienced people who believe in company values of innovation, commitment and customer satisfaction.
Hi, I'm Tarun Arora and I'm Director of Infinity Mediquip India Private Limited. The pandemic has set a new way of living for all of us. We at Infi understand the importance of healthcare equipments. We use innovative biomedical technology for the betterment of human health. Our mission is to inspire the patient to get actively involved in his own therapy and to adopt a healthy lifestyle. What can be the quality policy of a company which can be communicated in one line to the R&D, production and the quality? The one line in our company is don't produce anything that you can't use for your family. It should be your first choice if you have to give it to your loved ones.
Our quality personnel has more than 20 years experience of testing medical devices at every stage to ensure adherence to highest quality checks from production to final packaging. We are intensively working towards better future solutions in the healthcare sector and hope to serve the nation for the years to come.